How to use a roundabout. A roundabout is a circular one-way intersection that improves traffic flow, minimizes traffic congestion, and increases safety. When approaching a roundabout, slow down and watch for signs. Pedestrians always have the right of way at pedestrian crossovers. Yield to them when entering and exiting a roundabout. When entering a roundabout, yield to all lanes of traffic on the inside. Maintain your speed and travel in a counterclockwise direction. Stay in your designated lane. In a single-lane roundabout, enter when the way is clear. And signal right when exiting. Some multi-lane roundabouts are different. Watch for lane usage signs and position appropriately before entering. When turning right, enter and exit from the right lane and maintain your right turn signal throughout the turn. When traveling straight, enter the left or right lane. Stay in your designated lane until you are ready to exit. Signal right when exiting. When turning left, enter from the left lane and maintain your left turn signal throughout the turn. Travel in the inner left lane and signal right when exiting. When performing a U-turn, enter from the left lane and maintain your left turn signal throughout the circle. Signal right when exiting. Remember, slow down and watch for signs. Choose your lane and signal. Yield to pedestrians at pedestrian crossovers. Yield to traffic in the roundabout. Enter when it's safe. Stay in your lane until your exit. And signal right when exiting.